Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Wednesday night, October the 5th, and these are the charts of the day. I'm going to go over some of the unusual and stronger stocks today. The market had a wonderful follow-through session. I'm very optimistic about this being an important low, at least short term. Starting with Oryx, you can see that an explosive move here with a breakaway gap got all the way up to the 270 range, and then right back to the breakout point and the 21-day moving average. Reversed yesterday and bounced a nice 27 cents or 14% today. 1.8 million traded, and it looks like we may be headed up for a retest of the 270 area. That's my short-term target, a very short-term, followed by 350, my secondary target. As you know, we've been very high in YHOO since early September when we thought it would be a takeover candidate. It ran up, pulled back down, and then quickly reversed when the market did, and even before so. It's gone from about 13 to 16, 15 the last couple, 3 days, right up to resistance here. And it looks like it may be testing the top of this channel as well. But we expect a blow through and a move up towards the 17.5, 18 range, maybe even 18.5, 19 on a takeover or more. TSPT, big breakaway gap, pullback that held the gap, and then another pop to resistance that filled this gap. And pullback retest tested the 21. Now we've broken through, and today up another 77 cents or almost 10%. You can see where resistance lies up around the 9.5, 3/4 range. That's my ultra short-term target, but I expect we could see $12 in the stock. MyTech finally had its reversal yesterday, followed through today up another 64 cents or 7%. We need more volume, but I think we're going to see the break through this declining tops line out of the little orderly down channel to retest the highs in the 12 3/4, 13 zone. That's my first target. Secondary target, 16. Seriously, folks. WPRT, which had a big hit here and rolled over from 32 and change all the way down to 23. Snapped back with a vengeance and reached 27.10 today before backing off. Up $1.58 or 6.27%. What I'm looking for is a move back through this 27.5 zone and a retest of this high around 30, around the declining tops line around 30, and eventually back up towards 33. Those are my two targets, 30 and 33. Stamps.com reversed sharply off the moving average and trend line yesterday, and today followed through to take out the declining tops line and completed the falling wedge pattern. At this point, I look for a quick retest of the 25.5 area short term, secondary target 29. LQDT. Well, after the pop, 2 or 3 pullbacks here held the support zone, the stock reversed it up $1.40 today, $1.40. I'm looking for a retest of the highs around 36, potentially move up into the 40, 42 zone. OSUR acted very well in the last couple of sessions. Big reversal yesterday from 7.5 to 8.5. Today jumping up to 904. And with the breakout across this line and the 50-day moving average and this prior high, I'm looking for a move now that tests the 9.5 and then 10 zone up here. That's short-term target. Beyond that, 11.5, 12. ALXN, very strong run-up and a pullback that tested the trend line and prior highs. It's at support. Bounced today, 203. I'm looking for a retest of the highs near 69 short term. Secondary target around 72, 73. BMRN, another biotech I like, after the big plunge in early August, has moved up steadily. It did take a quick hit, but reversed sharply yesterday from 29.5 up to 31 3/4, and then today it reached up to 32.68. We may retest this high very shortly, and a breakthrough could get us up towards 35.6. MG, nice, beautiful reversal after the shoulders pattern was broken and retested here. New highs were made, then rolled over with the market, but held that line, which is near the trend line. Spiked up for 2 days now, and look, it's above the double top from August and September. Looking for a move that takes MG up towards a test of this high up around 24. Seattle Genetics continues to move forward, and this stock is acting great. It's now retesting the late June highs up around 21.5. And if we get through that, we can see the stock move into the 24.5 zone of my next target. And lastly is STAA, which after the strong run in August and early September, rolled over with the market and snapped back with a vengeance yesterday from about 665 range up towards 7 3/4, 8, and today ran up to 7 3/4. Today ran up to 808. It's right at this declining top line. If we break through, I'm fully expecting a test of the high and a takeout with a run up to 950. That's my short-term target for STAA. And that's it for tonight. Have a good one. We'll talk to you tomorrow.